Let's unpack what Azure Function is. Azure Function is a serverless compute service from Azure and lets you run small pieces of code called functions without worrying about the infrastructure. You focus only on writing the code, and Azure takes care of everything else, such as scaling, server management, and maintenance. Think of Azure Functions as a pay as you go brain for your applications. It reacts to events and executes code in response and scale automatically to handle the workload. Let's unpack few key features of the Azure function. Azure functions are triggered by events like HTTP request, messages in a queue, file uploads, or changes in a database. When you use Azure function, you do not need to provision or manage servers. You only pay for the time your code runs. It automatically scales based on the number of incoming events and ensure your app handles spikes in traffic. You can write your functions in C#, JavaScript, Python, PowerShell, Java, or TypeScript. You can also easily connect with other Azure services like Blob Storage, Cosmos DB, Event Hubs, and Logic Apps. You can choose between consumption plan, means like a pay per execution, and premium plan. Premium plan is for longer running or high performance functions. Overall, Azure Functions is perfect for situations where you need to react to events, run short lived tasks, or scale on demand without worrying about infrastructure. Whether you are building an IoT app, automating a workflow, or creating an API, Azure Functions can save time, resources, and money.